Metrics. Metrics allow you to calculate and track key performance indicators, then receive alerts when values fall outside an acceptable range. You can nominate whether the metric result is displayed as a percentage or a decimal place. This useful optimization feature is available in Expert Estimation Genesis. Here are some example key performance indicators that you could have in your project. Contract value check, labour hours per foreman hours, and man hours per metres cubed of concrete. You can also use metrics to track the ratio of overhead to direct costs, or comparing calculated project value to a global defined value. The metrics tool automatically analyzes data in your estimate according to the metrics calculation formulas you create. The application notifies you with a project message when the value of a metric is outside your minimum and maximum acceptable levels. This high-level feature is an essential automatic tracking and reporting tool that helps you meet key performance indicators and know where you need to make adjustments to streamline your estimate. The metrics tool is designed to help estimators review their projects, stay on track, enhance efficiency, and comply with company KPIs. It's recommended that your item states are in check or finish to improve the relevance of the up-to-date metrics information. Metrics will work with unfinished items, but remember, you get a complete, accurate indication of how close you are to your metrics limits when all the item states are marked as check or finish. The metrics feature provides fast, automatic alerts and detailed information to keep values within preset threshold limits. Metrics lets you quickly know to check your estimate to make amends. And that's an introduction to metrics. To find out more about this feature, have a look at the relevant links provided in the description box below. Our in-house customer support specialists are here to help you 24/7 every day of the year.